Good morning. So, today we will work from our book. It's the writing time. Let's start this work. Already we have done it and in words. Already we have written these words twice. दो बार लिख लिया. So, today we will write if word. Okay, how to write? See, this is your notebook. Put the date here, CW here, okay, then copy from here. E per dip. You will write, leave one line, right here, E per ip. Or write this, E per. Write very neatly, E per dip. Next word is per lip. Right here, E per lip. Okay, touch the line very nicely. Next word is per zip. Where you can find the zip? In your jackets, pants, sweaters. Z, you will make the Z like this. E per zip. Next word is sip. Take a sip of cold drink. Per sip. Okay, touch the line very nicely. Next is E per rip. Right here, E per rip. And one more time you will revise. Per dip, per lip, per zip, per sip, per rip. Okay, do this twice on this page and send that to your class teacher.